welcome to Raja's Creativity. Today we will discuss about the endocrine system series number 4. Not series number 4, series video number 4. Okay. Endocrine system is a very big part. We will tell both about endocrine and exocrine systems. But as it is, we can create a big video. I will make 2 parts. This is part 1, endocrine system. Next part I will tell exocrine system. Now coming to the topic. In this portion we can see that these are the parts. So I want to tell the definition of endocrine system. The endocrine system is the part of set of organs which do not use ducts and use blood to transport the hormones required to control the bodies. For example, emotions. Okay friends, let's see what we have here. But first we will tell you, let's take any one of the glands here to tell what is an endocrine system looks like. To tell, it's not like brain, but it's running like brain. Okay, now let's see what we can take. Pancreas. You all know pancreas, no? That's why we will take pancreas. So here, pancreas. Okay, pancreas. So pancreas releases 2 hormones. What is that? Yes, you are right. Insulin and glucagon. So insulin and glucagon are the hormones produced by the pancreas. So what is the insulin function? Insulin function is to decrease the blood sugar levels so that it can be overfilled. And glucagon, it increases. When the body has low sugar levels, it will increase. And there is a situation of lack of insulin produced by the pancreas. I will tell in this diseases concepts, and firstly we will understand the endocrine system. I will have told a simple example of that. Okay. First, what is in the list? A for adrenal glands. Let's take it as, okay, I will tell as in alphabetical order. In the first is adrenal glands. Okay. What are adrenal glands? Adrenal glands are the organs which are top of kidneys. Let's say that I have drawn a kidney here. It's not look like kidney, but just imagine it's a kidney, okay? And here we can see the adrenal gland, okay? There is not one, but 2 of them, but I am supposed to do one, okay? The adrenal gland has 2 parts, medulla and cortex. The outer part is called the cortex, and the mid part is called medulla. Not medulla oblongata, but medulla. Okay, the medulla in the center, okay? The center creates hormones, and cortex also can create hormones, okay? Don't forget, it's already very starting of the endocrine system, and it's the outer layer and protects the adrenal glands in this portion, okay? In this portion, we can see what are there here. What are the parts? Here we see two. And what are the functions? Functions are it can protect and can create a hormone known as noradrenaline. And medulla creates an aggressive hormone, adrenaline. So, what are the difference between these two? Noradrenaline, also known as non-adrenaline. Okay, now what is the non-adrenaline? Jude. Okay, and what is the first? Before we tell about non-adrenaline, first we will tell about adrenaline. Okay, what is adrenaline? Adrenaline is as I told you, it's an aggressive hormone. When it is released into the blood, it can increase the heart rate and breathing rate so that it can be fast. If it goes fast, the organs such as our body, hands and legs can automatically gain more energy. For example, when we are in a fight or flight situations, which means when a tiger comes closer to us, we can, and then the adrenaline was released. So the adrenaline was released into the body parts, and it can also take the brains and other organs blood to the hands and feet to prepare for flight or fight. Fighting means, you know what is flight. Flighting means running. So that after you go on, you feel butterflies in your stomach. It's another concept I will discuss you in another video. Why stomach feels like butterflies. Okay. But now we will only discuss about this adrenaline. If we managed to escape after, we were still aggressive and our body feels dizziness. And as the brain, a fact that when we eat, the brain's blood goes to the stomach. Then we will feel some dizziness known as food coma, which feels dizziness after eating. So like that, we will feel dizziness as the brain's blood are also involved in the body. Flight response. So to stop that, noradrenaline was released. Why? Because to control the dizziness. How it controls? It goes to the hands and feet and to the heart to slow down the breathing rate and heart rate to normal, and the hands and legs blood stored there was gave back to the organs for including the brain to lower the dizziness. Okay, as we have learned about the adrenal glands, let's see what is the other part in the alphabetical order. Okay, let's see. Yes, this scrotum gland is there. Okay, what is scrotum gland? What is function? And where it is located? Now I will tell. I also don't know what is shapes, but I will tell it's like this. Okay. It's like this shape, and let's see. Okay, I also don't know, but cotton gland here is the Also, I will ask one question to you. What is the other name for this cotton gland? I will give you 5 seconds of time. No guesses? Okay, I will tell. It's also known as 24-hour cycle. If anyone of you have answered this question, please keep in the comment section below. Okay. Now, what is the cotton gland here? Tell. Why it is known as 24-hour cycle? Because it's not cycles, but let's see. In the daytime, we wake. In the night time, we feel sleepy. But sometimes in the afternoon also. But how this happens? Why we are sometimes sleepy and sometimes not? This is the part. When light is coming, we supposed to wake up. Even it is night or day. If we have light around us, we can sleep properly. Why? Because cotton gland detects how darkness or how lightness is there. In the daytime, this cotton will release cortisol hormone, which help us wakes up. At the night, when there's no light, darkness, we feel sleepy because of the hormone melatonin. I think everyone have will listen this concept when I told first time endocrine system. Yes, I told cortisol and melatonin. Have you remembered? Okay. Now, cortisol, melatonin. What is the difference between them? Cortisol helps us to wake when there is light around. Melatonin makes us sleepy when it's dark around. And this is the only conditions the cell phone affect us during the night. At the night, when we see cell phones, they emit blue light and some light only that makes us not sleepy. Because as I told you, if there is light, even at the night also, melatonin was not produced. So what happens? The melatonin will not produce means will not feel sleepy and causes fatigue like that. Okay. Let's see what is the next alphabetical ordered part. Okay, let's see what is that. Yes, I think you have guessed ovaries. But I won't tell the ovaries now because I will tell it later. Okay, now let's see what is the next. Pancreas and pituitary gland. And pituitary gland or master gland. Okay friends, so I will tell master gland, pancreas, thyroid glands and reproductive glands and diseases of these all glands and I will tell in next video. As I told you, these concepts are very complicated and took a lot of time. So I will tell it in another video. So but keep watching our video. Thank you for watching the friends. Click on and press the first to hit the subscribe and bell icon to get the notification of our every video.